How to password protect WeTransfer files full guide 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to password protect your files in WeTransfer. This feature helps keep your documents, photos, videos, and other files secure by allowing only people with the correct password to download them. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the WeTransfer website. Sign in to your WeTransfer account. Keep in mind that password protection is available with WeTransfer's paid plans. If you're using the free version, this option may not appear. After signing in, click * Upload Files and select the files you want to share from your computer. Wait until the upload is complete before moving to the next step. Now click the * Transfer Settings * or Settings icon. In the menu, find the * Password * option and enable it. Enter a strong password using a combination of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using simple passwords like your name or birth date. Once you've created your password, confirm it if prompted and save the transfer settings. You can also set an expiration date at this stage for an extra layer of security. Next, create your transfer link or send the files directly by email. Share the download link with your recipient, but don't send the password in the same message. Instead, send the password separately through another trusted method, such as a text message or phone call. Before finishing, test your transfer if possible to make sure the password works correctly.